In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add basic information in GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your GoDaddy account to set your site name, choose a business category, and add your key contact details so visitors can reach you easily. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website. Before you proceed, take a quick look at the URL to make sure you're on the legitimate site. Once you're there, log into your account using your secure credentials. After logging in, look to the top right of the page and click your account name. In that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything you have with GoDaddy. Find the website you want to work on and click it. That opens the website builder dashboard for that specific site. Inside the dashboard, look for Settings, usually found in the left side menu or near the top. Click Settings, then select Basic Information. This is the central place where your site's identity and contact details live, and it's what many templates and features pull from automatically. Begin with the site name. Type the name you want visitors to see across your site. Keep it clear and consistent with your brand. This name can appear in headers, footers, and even the browser tab. Next, choose a business category. Pick the option that best matches what you do. This helps GoDaddy tailor certain features and may influence suggestions for layouts or tools relevant to your industry. Add your email. Use a professional, monitored inbox where you want customer messages to land. If you have a dedicated support address, use that to keep communications organized. Enter your address. Type your full, accurate business address exactly as you display it elsewhere online. Consistency helps customers find you and supports local search visibility. Double-check spelling, suite numbers, and postal codes. Now add your phone number. Include the correct country code if you serve international customers, and ensure the number is active and ready for calls or texts, depending on how you prefer to be contacted. When everything looks correct, click Done. This saves your updates and applies them across your site where those details are referenced. You can return to this basic information section anytime to make edits as your business evolves. That's it. Your GoDaddy site now has a solid foundation of basic information. Keeping these details accurate builds trust with visitors and makes it easier for customers to contact you. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to update your site's essentials.